Hi, welcome. Today I have a double unboxing from Portland Leathers, and they are both boots. Before I get to it, I'd like to show you these are the sneakers I got from them previously. After buying so many pair of leather sneakers, these are the most comfortable leather sneakers I have. One thing though, I do think they can improve on their outsole. If they can improve on this outsole, I think this would be so perfect. Otherwise, the leather is amazing and the shoe still holding up really well. You can see how dirty it is, and I did really wear it frequently. Now let's get to the first box. I think some of you mentioned that you get nervous seeing me cut open the box using this X-Acto knife, but they actually have good padding inside the box, so that even if you are a little bit careless, I think your shoes will still be fine. And also the shoes is inside the box. Come with this bubble wrap. So this is how the shoe came in. Nice cardboard box. Say leather footwear. Patina is their shoe brand by Portland Leather. Let's cut it open and see. Covered with paper inside the box. Let's take one out. This is their Patina leather Chelsea boot in Canyon color, I believe. I'm really excited about this one because Chelsea boot is one of my favorite type of boots because it's so easy to get in and out and you don't have to tie shoelaces. I love my Converse, but those high top shoelaces can take forever, and I'm excited to try this to see how well this works for me. Compared to the sneakers, the boots do have better outsole, you can see, better grip. Also, this is Goodyear welted boots, so if something happened to your outsole and you need to resole, that can be done as well. So this is how they look together. I love that their outsole is pretty thick as well, so that if you want to wear a pair of boots to look taller, I think this works pretty well without it looking like a platform boots. I'm going to try it on later and show you how they look. Hopefully this fit. I ordered size 9, my regular size. I do notice that when I order my sneakers, I order size 9 and they were perfect. So I hope the sizing is consistent and I'll fit in these boots no problem. Now let's open up the second box. Since that one was the Chelsea boot, this one would be their leather Brooklyn boots. Let's open it up. Inside the box, the boots are covered with paper. This one is in black color, smooth leather. It has these stitching details, so if you order other colors, it probably will be more obvious. But black is more versatile if you want to wear it in all occasions. And the outsole, it has good grip as well, so I'm really happy to see this. So here is side by side. And you can see the outsole they use is probably the same. They look identical. And hopefully the sizing is consistent as well. For the eyelet, I love that they use this kind of a copper color. It's a nice color combination with the earth tone midsole here. I rarely see this kind of color eyelet. I really love how they look contrasting with the black smooth leather. Since I already set up my camera in my office filming, might as well try them on here so that you can see if it's easy to put on or it's challenging. I'm wearing medium weight socks, so it's not too thick but it's not the thinnest socks. So far I can put them on easily. I have to say, put on the Chelsea boots was much easier than I expected. I was worried about the size, but it just slipped on easily. And I'm gonna try to take it out, see if it's challenging. So much easier compared to my Dr. Martens boots. This is so much easier. I think I'm gonna wear this out for lunch later. Now let's try on these Brooklyn boots. A little tight. First it was a little tight to go in. It was easier after I loosened up the laces. So far it feels like it fit perfectly. So this is how it looks after putting them on. Feel pretty comfortable for this kind of boots. But I think this kind of boots you will have to break it in to get it more comfortable, but so far it feels good enough. I definitely don't feel any discomfort on my feet. Here after putting on another side, so far they feel comfortable other than the middle part here. It's a little bit tight. If your feet has high arch, so you may want to try it on at the store before you buy them. But I expect after I wear them for a while, it probably will loosen up. So far it's okay. After trying them on, I'm glad that the sizing is consistent and I don't have to exchange or return any of them. Thanks for going through today's unboxing with me, and I'll talk to you again next time. Bye!